We make decisions every day, some important, some not that important. But have you ever think why and how we make that decision? A very good day to you. I am Jason. Do you recall a time in the past, if you were to make a different decision, then your life would be totally different today? The power of decision making. It is so important but yet neglected. Come to think of that, teenagers make life-altering a decision every now and then. Yet they are not given or taught of these skills in schools on how to make healthy decisions. What to say, whether to follow or not to follow, when they are persuaded and convinced by friends to do certain things, when they are cornered by their environment to make a certain decision, when they need to do decision on whether to proceed on with their passion in arts, or should they follow the large group to go to a science class. Wow, so many decisions to make that can eventually set their life at a different path. This creates a certain level of stress to the teenagers. As a result, they struggle to make healthy decisions. They follow the path of their parents, or they go the other way. The sad part is some struggle silently. Some become rebellious because they find no other ways to express themselves. The worst that can happen is that teenager run away from home. Good decision making skills is important and can set your teen up to a successful life. Get them to join us on our next workshop, where we share with your teenagers how to make healthy decisions, how to think rationally, and understand why people do what they do. I see you again. Good decision-making skills can set your teen up to a successful life. Get them to join us on our next workshop, where we will share interpersonal communication skills, good decision-making skills. Follow our page and be informed when our next workshop is near you.